iDiskiTV powered by World Sports Betting. Ahly 0, Mamelodi Sundowns 1. CAF Champions League group stage match. Exciting, beautiful, tactical, intriguing, exhilarating, curious. You know, you could learn a lot of things from this game, but it would give you a good advertisement of football. If you watched it, you would want to watch more football the next week and the next week and the next week. Makhanya, former winger of Orlando Pirates and Swallows Football Club, or Morocco Swallows. What did you make of the game, sir?
Greetings to viewership.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, for the first time in Sundowns, had to stick to organization.
Yeah.
Perfect organization there to be so strict in terms of the organization. Because of now, they had to deploy instead of your normal 3-4-3. They had to deploy sort of a 4-5-1 formation, changing patterns all the time according to what the game demanded. The game. Because of you check the compactness, the packed midfield. That's why there was Rivaldo Kutseo, Mweene, now Andile Charlie, also Ralani who won't go that much of or give you that much of a width. Then we had Umshish. So the only element that was lacking, it was element of speed when they have to transit from being
from defending
to attack, which was something that maybe someone have they tried to correct by trying to introduce Abo Morena, who obviously scored a goal. So, but you check it, Ahly, they couldn't break through middle, so they had all the time to use Iwitiabo, create a 2v1 site into a 2v1 so that it is to allow him across. So, but now Sheriff, Mohamed Sheriff, he was isolated. He was the only target, intended target in terms of a number. We had to direct no Onyango, so it was 2 versus 1 all the time. So the only player Oguti, as much as he was giving Sundowns a bit of a width, and he posed a danger for them, especially coming to defend. Because of now he found himself in a 2v1. He found himself maybe tracking back late or Kuriso Mutau.
I thought that was always going to be interesting because you have Kuriso Mutau on the right wing back, Sundowns moving forward. You have Ali Malul, Al Ahly, and I think I just forgot his name now. A wide forward as a left, number 35,
for sure,
was always going to pose a problem. So, I thought that was always going to be interesting. What happens on that right side?
For sure, that was the main area overload. Ulake so good. There's a danger. He kept his position. He never went forward. He never ventured forward. For sure, yeah. I mean, that's why I'm talking about the adaptation of tactics. Adaptation of tactics was very crucial for Bona. So Ahly so good, man. We can't break through the middle because of Sundowns is a compressed midfield. So the only way to go on the side, and on the side, still they were ready to deal nama crosses that were posing. Even though there was an element na corner ye lack, especially ngama tackles amanya the way timeless. That touch was very crucial. You check kunama bola interceptions. Onyango bekawayenza, even though I must say also he played very well in terms of keeping Sheriff quiet. So Ahly pushed our numbers. So as they were pushing our numbers, they were setting themselves up for a counter.
Exactly, and that's what happened. I said it like around the 50th minute that I am seeing an imbalance here.
For sure.
In as much as because Ahly started to play as if they are losing the game. They pushed. And they neglected 3 players at the back.
Exactly.
And Junior was insisting, look, they're going for the kill. And I said, you are creating an existing danger all the time because it's a 3-on-3 all the time now. 3-on-3, and that's what happened, and that's why they conceded.
For sure, because of now you've got Ushaluli, he's got his speed. Now the introductory Morena, then no Mudiba. So it was that element here, speed that they wanted to inject, especially we came up. They could see what Manje Ahly was committing more numbers. So as they were committing more numbers, Manje was a situation with an imbalance. especially a number. So Ahly needed to go for a kill because of now. They were at home and they've got 1 point. So they knew it was critical for them to collect points at home. So now towards the end, it became a situation with Ahly, even if they could have gotten a point, it was still going to be maybe at least a bit enough.
I was about to ask that would you
sure.
not have accepted at some point that, you know what, maybe this is an unfair question because I just have a flashback of so many chances that they had.
For sure.
Maybe Bona, it would have felt like an injustice. We created so many chances, cleared off the line, Pesitao scores is slightly offside, that let's go for the kill. What would you have done in their shoes, to risk 0 points or take 1 point?
Ahly, that's why sometimes they are a big team because of when they have to go for a kill, they go for a kill. So sometimes it's always difficult to should we sit back and we're at home. It's a game that has got maybe an opportunity for us winning it. So why not go for a kill? So risk it all or lose it. So could have maybe went for a situation with maybe let me rather if I can see what is as let me rather go for a point and maybe hoping that maybe I can still pick up points there and there, especially going away to Sundowns. Sundowns now, they are sitting very well on top with 7 points. So Ahly manje pressure is on them. They need to come out.
Every game is almost a must win.
It's a must win. So they need to collect all. I think it's 12 points that they need
12 points available. Maybe get 7 out of that.
Yeah, get 7 because of now it's a race between Sundowns. They are in pole position, so it means it's a race between Ahly and Almeric. And Almeric now they are a difficult customer. So I still feel good. Ahly, they've got enough quality. They've got enough quality to try and maybe and win ama games that are remaining. So again, footy a good tactical plan from with Sundowns and Ahly as well. They come up with a good plan as well. That's why the game was very interesting because of now it was an all-out attack. They wanted to attack Ngama Engel Wonke, so the Engel middle it was close. They were forced to go on the side, and when it comes to Sundowns, it was mainly a good organization from their side. Meaning Umshishi now he was a bit lost a bit a good game because of now. The game demanded a bit of speed in terms of manje with transition, which is something that he doesn't possess.
They took some of the balls as Petong Wai, because of the tempo in which he plays.
Yes, because of the tempo. He's a bit of a player who uses his brain and over slow nyana. So the game needed a speed in terms of break attacks. Because of our lines, they closed our lines. They blocked our spaces, our passing channels. They were blocking. So they needed to Mabalbamba have that element of speed. So they needed Umshishi to have that element of speed. That's why there was introduction Yaga Morena.
Last one from me to you before we go. It's been a night visual. It was disappointing with the first game, but at least this game rescued it for us. I can't let you go without asking you about the last second save that Kennedy made. That felt like Spider-Man, Batman, Superman wrapped up in one.
Yes. That was a crucial save. Match-winning save. Because of had they considered that goal, it was going to be 1-1, and still that point was still going to be enough for a Sundowns party. That save, it was a match winner. It was a match winner because of you check. I was a bit skeptical in my attempts, especially in my crosses, because of bega puma besaya buyele epalini. So he was a bit unsure, but on that save, he stood on his line and could reflex save the movement because of you check where the ball was coming from. It was a cross and waibusela la puma corner. So it's always difficult for a goalkeeper to make those steps and make the save, and also tip it over because of Mweene is a shorter goalkeeper, so to tip
ungayibuyisela
phakathi ngoba at some point nami ngikuthi ingenile, but only to find that he tipped it over. So that was a great reflexing save.
There you go, man. That's Mamelodi Sundowns away from home defeating Ahly. It was beautiful, tactical, interesting, intriguing, scintillating. I really, really enjoyed that. I hope you did too. We all did in here. iDiskiTV, iDiski Times, World Sports Betting. Thank you very much for watching us.